4-cylinder VTEC, and it's got an exhaust leak. I would start it up for you, but you guys know what an exhaust leak sounds like. It's really annoying, especially when you accelerate. So I'm going to show you a little trick to find it. Today we've got the old Shop-Vac. I've hooked up a large size hose to the Shop-Vac, but you can use whatever hose you got. And focus camera. Using duct tape, I've connected it to the muffler. So when I plug in the Shop-Vac, I've got it on the exhaust end to let the air come out and into the exhaust system. I've pressurized the exhaust system and we're listening for a leak. And listen to that. We can hear the leak. Now I'm going to feel around for escaping air. Don't feel anything coming off the manifold. Don't feel anything coming off this gasket. Let's feel under the car. Oh, it's real loud down here. Here we are. Got the good old flex pipe. And I'm going to put the camera on the ground so you can tell, you can feel that it's leaking by the flex pipe. And in fact, I've got soot on my hands. I've got soot on my hands. I don't know if the camera can see that, but the soot is indicative that there's definitely exhaust leaking from that flex pipe. So we're going to replace that, and hopefully we'll get that leak fixed. That's it for now. Just a quick video on how to use a Shop-Vac to find an exhaust leak.